Reminiscing about the times we had.
Hey y'all, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Erica. I'm looking a little hip right now, but that's what this video is about. I FLEXIRODed my hair, what, three days ago, and this is what I've been having it look like. I pushed them up. I had this, and I would, to kind of just pull my hair up in like the pineapple style, but I haven't touched my hair in about 2 days. So that's what this video is, just me kind of like quickly styling old curls without having to, wash or flat iron. I'm probably just going to do a cute ponytail. So if that's something y'all want to see, then keep watching. Take these bobby pins out first. I'm going to put some FLEXIRODs back in my head sometime this week. Like more uniformed and straight instead of how I had them, because I think they would have came out way better instead of just having them going all over the place. So I'm just about to put this in my hair and this to try to, I guess, like smooth it out a little bit, because you know how when setting lotion and gel sit in your hair, give that little, that filmy feel to your hair. I don't want to comb my hair out or like brush it out, so I'm going to just separate it like this for right now. Because the style I'm going for, I just want like a sleek side, not a side ponytail, but like a side part, sleek back ponytail and like a bun. I kind of still want my curls a little bit up. That's what we're about to try to do. Right here, I'm making a part. I wanted the curved look, so I bring the comb in like a swoop direction. It's the comb in this out part. Right here, I just have my conditioner and water to spray on my scalp. Avoid spraying it on your hair because, your curls going to drop and it's going to kind of ruin the style. I'm not combing all the way through to the ends. I'm just combing my roots to kind of, to get the hair straight. I'm combing this piece because for the most part it's going to be in a ponytail depending on how long your hair is. About to go in with some gel to help sleek and smooth out my roots. It's really just a repeat motion of spraying and combing and brushing. Make sure you take out your edges too. Part your hair ear to swoop part, if that makes sense. I will like. Now you're gonna put that front piece in the ponytail and work on the back. And I mean damn near soak your roots with water because you're gonna need your hair to be slick. And also make sure that you're combing through your roots. What kind of girl that you could be down for? 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me. Finger comb your ponytail to reduce the curls from puffing up and falling. You're the kind of guy that should make a move on. And if I don't let you know. Now I'm taking my bush comb and just teasing my scalp to get rid of some of that hair buildup. Make sure you don't comb out the curls. Now you're going to apply you some gel to that back part. I could be wrong, but comb your hair through to make sure that the gel is penetrating all of your hair. Feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me. These last couple of sections are going to just be a lot of combing and brushing, adding gel and spraying water. Only you. Once you have it smooth like you want it, just go ahead and put it in the ponytail. With what you go. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter time. Now this is where we go ahead and tackle that swoop part. Like I said, repeat that same process of water, comb, gel, and brushing. This is the the only part I combed all the way through because, like I said, it was going to be mostly in a ponytail. By this being at the top, you want to make sure it's super flat, so I'm just combing through in sections, root to end. It's just too thick right now. Starting to add in my gel. This is where you're going to start applying the gel in layers. Make sure you comb it through while bringing the head towards your ponytail. Continue putting the gel just on your root. We finally made it to the top, still adding our gel. Comb everything through to the direction you want it to go, and just take your time because this part can be really frustrating. Bring your brush out when you need to. I was fighting for my life trying to get it right. That right here was giving me such a hard time. I started brushing the hair back into a ponytail because it just wasn't working trying to force it into that swoop. Just go ahead and add some more gel at this point. Going in with some edge control now. Still only mostly put it towards your roots, but comb through and apply more edge control and gel if you need to. Prepare to bring your hair into your ponytail while you're still brushing and combing. Spray a little more water if your hair starts to get hard from all the products. Y'all, this is about as slick as I'm gonna get it right now. Here I'm taking my big comb and teasing my roots a little more to make sure that there are no clumps. I tell you what, if you haven't mastered this style, it's going to be a lot of repositioning and repetitive actions. Your arm's going to be burning. You're going to need another hair tie to join the two ponytails. Just swoop those extra pieces to the back. Alright y'all, I've been letting my my hair mold a little bit. I'm about to do my edges and that's gonna be it for this little ponytail. Probably fold it up a little bit. Okay, my nice right now. Just say. Just say, Mama. What you got going on? This thing gonna need to go on the charger, Mama. I'm gonna need some more edge control in a minute. A, B, C, D. This the piece is being real stubborn. This is how we're gonna do this. I might do my makeup just to finish off the look for y'all, but this is kind of what it's looking like. I'm gonna fix it up, kind of like a little bun type of a situation. And I'm gonna come back. I just feel like doing my makeup, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna come back. Alright, y'all. This is how my sleek side ponytail came out. All I did was flip my hair under and put some bobby pins in there. I'll probably put some pictures and videos from today. I know this probably is a short video, but I'm just trying to keep the content going, you know. If y'all like this video and want to see more stuff like this from me, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, or follow my social media. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.
Reminiscing about that time.